Got another fragrance in the mail. Let's unbox it. Here's the box. This is Ocean Noir by Malul. Looks very nice. Let's see what we get. Nice presentation. There's the bottle. Here it is, guys. No magnetic cap, but that's okay. See what this smells like. Decent atomizer. Very aquatic, like. Let's put this straight on skin. Nice. Blue, sea salty, fresh aquatic. With a hint of coconut in there. Pretty musky. It's very good. Mass appealing, safe scent. I could see someone just getting into fragrances rocking this. Easy to wear. I picked this up for like $120, so it's pretty averagely priced. Get a nice big bottle. This is like a 3.400 ml. This is pretty good, I gotta say. If I had to rate this, I would give this 8.5. Yeah, I wouldn't call it basic, but it's very good. It's very smooth. Nice, your typical blue, freshy, aquatic. Better in that like warmer weather, but this is nice. Very sophisticated. Yeah, guys, this is Malul, Ocean Noir. Can't go wrong with this. If you want more fragrance content like this, like and follow.